If you've been seeing the Katori titanium cutting board online, you might be wondering one thing. Is it actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped kitchen product? That's exactly what I wanted to find out. At first glance, the Katori titanium cutting board looks pretty impressive. It has a sleek design. It feels solid. And unlike traditional wooden boards, it's made to handle daily kitchen use without absorbing as much moisture or food residue. One of the biggest selling points is the titanium surface. It's advertised as being durable, easy to clean, and resistant to stains and odors. And honestly, that sounds great. But how does it perform in real use? The first thing I noticed was the cleaning. It's pretty easy to wipe down after cutting vegetables, meat, or other foods. That's a big plus if you hate scrubbing your cutting board. It also feels sturdy on the counter. It doesn't have that cheap, flimsy feeling you get with some plastic boards. But there are a few things to keep in mind. A metal cutting surface can feel different from wood or plastic. It may also be harder on your knives over time. So if you've invested in expensive kitchen knives, that's something I would consider. The price is another factor. If the Katori board costs significantly more than a regular cutting board, you'll want to decide whether the extra durability and easy cleaning are worth it. So, is the Katori titanium cutting board a scam? Based on what it offers, I wouldn't call it a scam. It has some genuinely useful features. But that doesn't automatically mean it's the perfect cutting board for everyone. If you want something durable and easy to clean, it could be worth considering. Just don't buy it because of flashy advertising